Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Photoshop and load your image now. You don't need extra plugins. First, make sure the Layers panel is visible via Window Layers or press F7 because the Move tool operates on active layers. Select the target layer so when you switch tools, you'll move exactly what you intend. Once done, note whether Auto Select is enabled. That changes behavior. Now switch to the Move tool by pressing V or clicking the Move icon. This is the first actionable step toward repositioning elements. With the Move tool active, you can click and drag to reposition content. That's the basic how. If Auto Select is on, clicking any visible object picks its layer or group automatically, so choose Layer versus Group in the options bar depending on your workflow. For precision, use arrow keys for 1-pixel nudges and hold Shift to move by 10 pixels. This helps align elements precisely. Make sure Show Transform Controls is toggled when you need handles for rotation and scaling. Once you've positioned the layer, press Enter or click any Commit button to finalize a transform. Otherwise, changes remain temporary. To avoid accidental shifts later, lock the layer or convert content to a smart object which preserves edits. If the Move tool seems unresponsive, make sure the layer isn't locked, that you haven't got a mask selected, and that Auto Select isn't confusing your clicks. If needed, reset the Move tool from the right-click menu on its icon in the toolbar to restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.